Let's look at our 20 stocks in 10 minutes to find some buying opportunities. Tesla is up $2.31, closed at 202.04. Post-market, we seem to be down a little bit. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yeah, we should know that Tesla is into a downward trend. But within a downward trend, there are some buying opportunities that are happening. We have one right here, a small buying opportunity because we are quite far from the support right here, but still it's a buying opportunity. You can decide if you want to take it or not. We called that buying opportunity Thursday, February 15th, and also this week on Monday. So now we are in profit for those that took it. We could be expecting Tesla to go up to 212, maybe 217 before testing this downward resistance right here. So we'll see where it leads us. But so far, this is working. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. We have crossed and closed over 200 today. So this is better than yesterday where 200 could not be closed above. So there is a little bit of an improvement right here. And even with the post-market numbers, we are still above the 200 number. So, things are still going well. And let's take a look at our indicators on the daily chart. Stochastic at quite strong. MACD, the two lines are coming above the zero line. This would help a little bit. RSI is good and DMI is also improving a little bit. Yes, the green line is lowering a little bit, but the red one too. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX climbing a little bit. We never like to see the VIX climb, but it continues a little bit lower for the rest of the week. Here we have a little bit of news. So we have tomorrow the personal consumption expenditure price index for January. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge is due for release on Thursday tomorrow. So investors expect it to have risen 0.3% last month, compared with a 0.2% uptick in December. So we'll see what happens there. This might be having a little bit of an effect tomorrow. So we'll see. Let's take a look at the bonds. The bonds are still maintaining themselves. They are not going higher. We like that. US dollar climbing a little bit. Let's take a look at our stock indices. So Dow Jones is still continuing into its bullish channel above support. S&P 500 above this support again, which is a very extended support, but it's maintaining itself. So what can we say? A fact is a fact. NASDAQ, same thing, touching support right here. Let's take a look at the EV stocks that we are following. So BYD, we had the buy right here on Monday, and now we are caving in a little bit, but we are still above 24.48, which is our support. If we start going lower than that, we're not going to be happy, and we are going to be very unhappy if we break this bullish channel support. So, if you can suffer that, then it's okay to still be in. Rivian climbing a little bit, but we cannot conclude right now that this is a buy. We don't have stochastic over 60, so this is not good enough for us yet. Xpeng going sideways. This one is weakening. We have lost 883. And we are right smack on this diagonal support right here. NIO going lower. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So not a super nice day for Apple. We are still above 180.24. So people are still propping this up above this. We don't have a good stochastic. It's at 17. So this one is not a buy until 187.08 at the least. So yeah, nothing to do here. Amazon just going sideways. Google following its bearish channel descent. Meta cannot break 485.79. Look at this. I'm not making this up. It is trying to break that number, but it cannot. And many times, or oftentimes, the resistance lines and the support lines are not at even numbers. So, this one right here, it's pretty clear. 485.79, this is where it's having a problem. Microsoft going sideways also. Nvidia caving in a little bit, still above 746.34. We had the buy on Thursday, and now we are pulling back. Stop loss below 746.34. ARM caving in a little bit, but I had set the stop loss at 128.42, and we are still above it. So let's hope that it recovers. Palentier going sideways. Palentier is now tracking this resistance right here. We are stopping right here today, pretty much right smack on that resistance. AMD going sideways, gold sideways, silver falling, Bitcoin. Yeah, we called it on Monday, and look at this ever since. Look at the volume too, very nice volume. Ripple, a lot of volatility, went up, went down, ended the day down, but lots of action right here. Neo battery material continuing, it's not falling, it's going sideways now. Novamont graphite still above 251. So this is our support. If we go lower, we are out. And Novonix, not too bad also. We still have a pretty good stochastic at 83. And we are just zigzagging a little bit, having a hard time staying above 231. But we are not going much lower than 218. So, we have buyers that are still coming in. So we like that. This is not the best move for Tesla, but at least this is moving in the right direction. We are also seeing some positive news about Tesla and everything. So let's hope that the wind picks up a little bit faster. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.